Okay, first things first, I'm going to split my string in half. Then I'm going to, where I put a hole in the middle, I'm going to push where it is at the middle through my pendant. I'm going to pull it most of the way through both strings, both sides. Then when I get to the bottom, I'm going to put the loop and I'm going to put the strings through there. So I just have one solid knot. Now to hold it so it will always face forward when I'm wearing my pendant. All right, now I'm going to take my two ends. I'm going to have them kind of go around each other. They're going to be two separate ones, but they're going to tie onto each other. So I'm going to take the left side over to the right side, or the right side to the left side. And now I'm going to take the other one. This is an adjustable loop. So I'm going to loop it around there 2 full times. Again, that's 2 full times. And then once I've done it those 2 full times, I'm going to pull the string through the top down towards the pendant. Then I'm going to pull it tight. Once I've pulled them tight, if I hold on to the knot and then one of the strings, if I pull the string, it will tighten it. If I move the knot that I tied, it will loosen it. So now I'm going to do it on the other side. Again, taking the end that's not tied to anything, I'm going to go around one time and around a second time. So 2 loops around the string with the open end. Once I've done that, again, I'm going to go back to the top and pull the tip through the 2 loops. I'm going to pull it tight. And once again, I've got the 2 loops pulling the end through. And now if I pull one end of the string while I hold on to the knot, it will loosen. If I hold on to the other end, or just the knot and pull back, it will tighten. So pull the knot down to tighten with holding on to the right string. If I hold on to the wrong string, it won't move at all. But if I hold on to the right string, it will tighten. And then I can just hold on to the base and pull the knot up, and that will loosen it. Now you've made an adjustable knot, so it can be really long to fit over your head, and then you can tighten it up to wear it closer to your neck, more like a choker. If you need help with this, go back and watch the video again. It'll be there for you to use over and over. Good luck.